Okay, here we are at Les Halles, the market in Narbonne, France. Yeah, Bill had a nice French hot dog. Might not have been much to it, but the birds loved it, and the seagull. My quiche, quiche Lorraine. What can I say? It wasn't made in Lorraine. There's Bill feeding the birds. And Narbonne, France. It's 12 o'clock. There's Whitey. Bill's got this one bird that is his friend.
Come on.
That's not him. That's the bird with the white pants, white tail. Good boy. Did you say good? Bill, did you say good boy?
Come back. Come on. Come on. Good boy.
Good boy? Bill's talking to the birds. They tried to attack me overhead.
Good boy.
Oh, I like that spotted one right there. I know that's your friend. That's your friend. Bill has new French friend. Hey, get off my foot.
Pack away, you fucker.
Shh. Get off my shoe. Bitches. You birds. That's a huge one right there.
That's the one I've been feeding.
You like but the dark one is the one.
I like to see the blue one.
Yeah. The dark one is the one that likes you. What am I talking about? I'm talking about some birds in France. Okay, I'll be back.